Yes, ma'am. Your son has been assaulted by one of the teachers here.
It's been more than a year since the mother of a Pecan Elementary School student spoke to us about the Austin ISD teacher indicted for injury to a child. With the charge now dismissed, he is working to clear his name.
I understand how protective you want to be over your child. I would be the same way, but I did not hit your son.
For nearly a decade, Joe Melvin worked as a pre-kindergarten special education teacher in local schools, but he hasn't set foot inside a classroom for more than 2 years. The case against him now closed. Melvin sat down with KXAN's Brittany Glass to speak about what he says really happened and how he hopes to rebuild his career and return to the classroom.
I've done everything I can.
Joe Melvin says that day in November 2016 changed his life.
It's devastating. I mean, just having my whole career, I worked so hard, just swept out from under me.
Melvin says it was a simple misunderstanding.
One student started wrestling with his friend, and I called his name to get his attention to ask him to stop, and he didn't hear me, so I reached over and tapped on the first part I could reach, which happened to be his head. I tapped on his head.
But another teacher saw things differently. Austin ISD placed Melvin on paid administrative leave. In May 2017, a grand jury indicted Melvin and he resigned.
I had to cash out my retirement. I've been living off of that and whatever odd jobs I could get.
But in June this year, the district attorney's office signed this document, the state's recommendation of early expunction of the case, meaning he's all but cleared.
And I would never hit him or any child out of anger.
Melvin says the district needs to improve the way they investigate allegations like this one.
It just seemed like it was haphazard, and I got shuffled down the system, but I'm also deserving of justice and at least a fair investigation.
And despite everything that's happened, Melvin says he just wants to return to the classroom.
That's a joy of my life, is working with young students and working with challenging students and helping them develop the skills and the strengths that they have so they can, keep moving forward as part of our community.
Brittany Glass, KXAN News.
In order for the case to be fully removed from Melvin's record, there is one more process he has to go through, a legal filing. Melvin says his attorney has already filed that, but it could take some time before everything is processed. We reached out to the Austin ISD to ask about Melvin's chances of returning to the district. Melvin resigned, he says, to avoid the risk of being fired. The AISD says any individual who applies with the district is considered. We also reached out to the Texas Education Agency, who told us the investigative warning from Melvin's teaching certificate has been removed. He remains a certified teacher with the state of Texas.